Here I have VIVO Y21L, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset by using the VIVO recovery mode. So let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, then let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait. And now let's use power key and volume up together simultaneously to enter the recovery mode. Keep holding both keys, release them as soon as VIVO pops up. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And the following VIVO recovery pops up, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, and let me choose wipe data. As you can see here, you can also tap on the following options. Let me choose wipe data again. Of course, all your personal data will be erased, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's tap wipe data one more time. The phone is formatting will be personal, tab and customize settings. Wipe data successful, tab OK. Let's go back. Here you need to tap reboot system and wait until the device will be ready. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.